I'm going to do a review of these 2-ounce amber glass spray bottles. They are from a company called, and I'll spell it, SXUDA. I bought these off of Amazon. They come in a 12-pack, and they have a fine mist sprayer. Now the cost of these was $11.99 for the 12-pack. So back around when we were getting the issues in March with the COVID-19 virus, I wanted to buy a small glass bottle. What you see here is what I had, and I was putting isopropyl alcohol in it. So this is what I was using. I think this is 4 ounces. But it's kind of large to put in a shirt pocket. So when I was able to order some of these, the 2 ounce is perfect. It's glass. It's exactly what I was looking for. Now, I'm not an Amazon Prime member, so you have to have a $25 minimum order. I really at the time didn't have anything else. So anyways, they're $11.99 a 12-pack. I just said the hell with it and bought 3 12-packs. So I'm going to have some to last, 10 lifetimes. But I'll find a use for a few other ones. So this one here I've used a month now, and this is the only one I've used, and it's been very well. Have not had any issues. What I liked is the fact that it was a small glass spray bottle, and that because of the fact that it is amber, it has UV protection, so that will allow the maximum protection against harmful UV radiation from the sun, and it allows you to have mixtures over a longer period of time before they lose their potency. And this, according to the manufacturer, it says that they are BPA, lead, and toxin free, which will safely allow you to use them for any concoction. And then once you use the contents of the bottle, just throw the glass bottle in the dishwasher. But the black fine mist sprayer is not safe for the dishwasher. I'm going to show you one other thing that I really like about the small glass amber bottles, spray bottles I bought. If you look at the one I had here, you'll see that the tip of the sprayer over here to the right side does not go all the way to the bottom. So if it was tipped and you were low on product, whatever you had in there, you can see that it won't spray it. But with these, and like I said, these both have the isopropyl alcohol. You see that? They're plenty long, and it actually curves so that when you tip it, you can get the majority of the contents in there, if not all of it. So that's a major plus. Now, I didn't know that until I got them, but that made me very happy to see that. So I'm going to open up. I have not opened up the other 2 yet. So let's open this up and see how they're packaged and what you get, because you get a few more things than just the spray head and the bottle. So here you see how well it's packaged. They have this nice styrofoam type spongy material. The top, all your bottles are in the same thing. So of course you do get your 12 glass bottles. Here they have packaged 12 of the spray heads, and also included with these, let me try to open this without getting, you're going to get 2 eyedropper heads for them. Where'd that go? It fell back in here. So this is the eyedropper head. Pushes in here like that. And then you'll see these two, these are the glass, and these are glass, which is nice. Then you'll just take the glass, and I hold it back here and just push it in like that. So you get 2 of these heads, and you get 2 glass stalks for the eyedropper. Pull out a bottle. So that's the 2 eyedropper heads. Okay, so back here you get 2 plastic eyedroppers. And you get 2 small funnels. Kind of nice. Also included are 12 labels so that you can identify what's in each bottle. I'm going to take a closer look at the spray head. So there's a little cap, and it fits nice and snug. It's not loose, so that's nice. And so let's see how this sprays. And what I would normally do is put 3 or 4 sprays in my hand, rub that around. If I needed a little bit more, I could. And that works really well with the isopropyl.